This is a travel packet, and you can see is portable travel bottles. It comes in a good plastic bag. These are the stickers, so you can use the stickers on the bottles once you filled it up. It's like a silicone bottle with a good cap on it. You can fill in the things inside it with this one, and then you can use it from here. You can see little aperture. It can seal the product inside, so only when you fill up the product here and then lock it and then use it from here. So you can see pressed up when it comes. So there are 4 bottles like that, 2 of same size and the 2 is little smaller size. Same thing for all. And then there are 2 small bottles for the cream or the ointment. There's a little cover lid on it, and then you can fill it up and then lock it so that it will be closed. Same thing here. So it's a very nice product, and it is like a nice quality and then solid quality. Easily put labels on it after fill it up like that.